What's up, everybody? It is officially week 4 here on the holidays with Kin, and everybody is going to be talking about what they do to give back. I'm super excited about this. Make sure that you check out the playlist in the description below, and I'm really, really happy to share with you guys what Israel and I do to give back to our family. It's something we call 11 Days of Christmas. Are you ready to hear all about it? Here it goes. I love the holidays, and I think the best part about it is being together as a family. So leading up to that, we're like, what can we do that can be like our thing, our holiday tradition? I've heard of the 12 days of Christmas. 12's not really my number, but 11 is. So I was like, let's do the 11 days of Christmas. And it kind of just builds up the excitement leading up to the actual day by the kids opening up one present a day. So we literally send a huge box of pre-wrapped gifts. Each one has a number on it. And then every day leading up to the 25th, the kids open up a present. And I love the fact that although we're in different parts of the world, New York, Houston, Phoenix, Greenville, like we are all connected. Israel and I actually film ourselves every single morning with Santa hats on, sometimes in bed. And we're like, hey. And we do these videos and we literally come up with a little jingle for every single day what everyone is receiving. So before we actually can do all of these gifts, how we put together our boxes is we ask all the kids in the family what is on their wish list, what is on their Christmas list. Some of them actually write out amazing lists and their parents send them to us. Or they get on the phone with my executive assistant, Lana, on FaceTime, and we've convinced all of them that she is an elf and she works for Mr. and Mrs. Claus. So starting with my nieces, Jet and Bo, here are some of the things that they asked for. I'm really happy for my sister and her family because they just moved into this incredible home, and the girls for the first time are like participating in decorating their new room. So I'm so excited about that because I know how much that meant to me and my sister. We shared a room growing up and we had strawberry shortcake as our theme. But you know what? These new kids, they've got new toys and their favorite thing is LOL dolls. Comment below if you've got kids in your family that are obsessed with LOL dolls. So Bo actually asked for LOL sheets. That's gonna be the decor and the theme of their room. That's right, Titi A hooked you up. We also like to map these out. So the first day will actually start out with something simple. Everyone is getting personalized stockings from my favorite spot. You already know it, Things Remembered. The second day is actually cocoa sets, like hot cocoa sets. And you can get these at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They're like the little things that you see on the way out to the cash register. So they are cost effective and kids get really excited about them because they're like, oh my God, I got my own little hot cocoa set. And I actually got them personalized, kid-friendly hot cocoa mugs. And then the other thing I'm sending with that is, and this is unisex for the boys and the girls. I think everybody loves to put together their own little Wonder Shop. These are actually from Target. Wonder Shop gingerbread kits. So again, it's something fun for them to do. Everything doesn't have to be super expensive. This was $9.99. So you're gonna find cool gifts like this on some of the days. And other days, like actually the 11th day on Christmas is when I am giving the girls. Bo asked for an LOL dollhouse. She's getting that. And Jet asked for the fully furnished, ooh la la, 360 play Barbie Dream House. So that's like their big toy. And the big toy is what they open on the 11th. Some of the other really fun gifts they asked for, you guys, was Fancy Nancy. Not gonna lie, the day I have a daughter, this is the show I'm gonna be obsessed with watching with her because she goes to Paris and does like fancy things. Fancy Nancy is, guess what? She's very, very fancy. Am I the only one that really likes going toy shopping? And I'm just putting this out there for all my New Yorkers. I know you guys are on here. Ow, I love my hometown. FAO Schwartz is back in New York City. If you don't get a chance to just go visit, it's just such a really dope, memorable thing to do. I'm taking the girls when we get to New York. That's one of their gifts. They're gonna get like a little coupon to go visit FAO Schwartz. So again, that costs $0. It's a coupon. I made it myself. I also got them really festive Christmas pajamas. So again, affordable things that are super cute. Target has the cutest family-friendly pajamas. Check those out as well. So does Walmart. So that's what the girls got. Let's move right along to see what some of the little boys in our family asked for. Not gonna lie, I find it most of the time a lot easier for me to pick out things for girls because duh, I am a girl. But I loved this experience of picking stuff for little boys, and I think it's super cool that some of the things I grew up loving, guess what guys, they're still around, they're still on and popping, including what? Hot Wheels. Israel's grandson is obsessed with Hot Wheels, so this was specifically one of his requests. Corkscrew crash action. Guys, low-key, is it weird that I kind of wanted to open this and buy this for myself and play with it? There's even one that's for the tub, and I kind of want it for myself. Just saying. Chewbacca is another family favorite. I saw like multiple requests for things that were Chewbacca, and this is a Lego Chewbacca that you put together. How cool is that? Another really great idea as a gift for young boys is Gamestop gift cards. It kind of takes the pressure off of you picking what games they're gonna get if you just get them a gift card to Gamestop. Some of the ones I did pick up though were for Xbox One, The Incredibles, and Jurassic Park. What else do we have here? More Marvel Lego. Oh, Ninja Turtles, again! My point, you guys are so retro. Ninja Turtles is still a big thing. They're a big deal. So we got the turtle tank. Again, this is something I would want to play with. So clearly these are a bunch of awesome toys, and I hope they gave you some great gift ideas for the kids in your families. But honestly, it's so not about the toys. It's not about the material things. For me, Christmas really, really is about giving back. And it's about the birth of Jesus as well. Let's never forget that. Jesus is the reason for the season. Cue the song. But it's also about teaching the next generation about giving back. And for us, that is really, really important. We just recently did a drive, a give back, where we put together Besos Care Packages, which is my charity. I know that we all have those moments throughout the year, not just during the holidays, but where we feel like we've been so blessed. What is it that we can do to help others? It doesn't all have to be materialistic or financial give back. You can do something as simple as volunteering your time, your work, your efforts. Sometimes some people just need a hug. Some people need an encouraging word, and that's what it's about as well. So with Besos Care Packages, we actually put together these care packages for the people in need. And along with that, this time around, we actually served hot food to people that are hungry on these streets. So that was amazing. One of the really awesome ways that you can join us in giving back is with Toys for Tots. I know you've probably seen on the reel, every time we have a guest on the show, they give a toy for Toys for Tots, but you too can get in on this, because what I love about this is that they actually provide toys for kids all across the country, which means wherever you are right now, there's probably a donation drop-off near you. You can just Google that, figure out, you're on your computer already. Check it out. Go look into it. How you can give a toy to a kid in need. Even donating as much as $10 can make a huge difference to make sure that there are presents under the tree for kids that are in need. So I feel really, really great about that. I really feel that that's what the holiday season is all about. It's about giving back to people and showing the ones that you love how much you love them. And again, it's not just in presents. Give somebody a hug, give somebody an encouraging word, give a kid a toy. I don't know why. I don't really love getting gifts for myself anymore. For me, it's about making the holidays about the kids in our family and about the kids all around the world. So this was like a little bit of everything for the holidays. This was like a toy haul, what you should get the kids in your family, how you can give back. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all that you are doing. And I'm thanking you in advance for that donation for Toys for Tots. Booyah, help a kid in need. And hopefully your heart is just filled with so much love during these holiday seasons. I'm sending you love. Mwah. Comment below, let me know what you do to get your heart feeling good this holiday season. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Happy holidays. Mwah.